Archana from class 6. Today I am going to present my topic saving the earth. Saving our earth and its environment becomes highly important as it provides us food and water to sustain life. Earth is a beautiful place full of life, but unfortunately our activities are harming our world. There are some easy ways to save our earth. We need to plant more trees, ride a bicycle instead of vehicles to stop pollution. When you brush your teeth, turn off tap, save animals, don't cut trees, stop pollution. Rockets emit very poisonous gases which are very harmful for our health. In this way, we can save our earth. Respected sir, have you any questions? Thank you.